Good morning, buenos dias, warriors, rise and shine. This simple, easy sequence you can do in the morning. You don't even have to leave your bed. Whether you're traveling, you're in your hotel bed, or if you're at home, find a comfortable seated position to get started. You don't need anything, just you and your breath. Maybe a pillow if you want. To begin, we're just going to find our breathing, our breath, where we are today in this day. Taking a moment of gratitude, come to a comfortable seat, however that is. Close your eyes for a moment and just begin to breathe. As you wake up, you have this time, this space in your day to set the mood, to set the intention and the energy. How do you want to feel today in your day? Now as we get the party started, we're going to find a little back bend. So hands to your knees, inhale, and as you exhale, round the spine. You can repeat that. Inhale, exhale, rounding. Inhale, lengthen. Round on your exhale. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, and exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen. Rounding, exhale. Feeling so good, waking up the back. Inhale. Then we're going to twist. Take your right hand to your left knee as the left arm reaches up overhead. I like to let my neck go here too. Maybe sometimes a little pop in the neck. Twist. Left hand comes behind you. Come back to center. We're just doing the other side. Left hand to right knee. Reach the right arm up overhead. Side bend. The cool part is you fall over, you're in your bed, so it doesn't even hurt. And as we twist, right hand comes behind you. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, twisting. Make your way back to center. Interlace the hands at the small of your back or grab opposite elbows. As you see, you can keep the elbows bent or start to extend the arms out all the way. If this is totally impossible for you, just grab opposite elbows. Either one is fine. Release whatever bind you have, shake out the shoulders, reach the arms up overhead, and grab the left elbow with your right hand. Nice tricep stretch. Shoulders and chest get really tight when we sleep at night. Especially if you're a side sleeper like me. Here we awaken the entire upper body. And then take the left arm out in front of you. Right hand hooks under. Switching sides. Now it's the right arm reaching up overhead. Grab the elbow with your left hand. Deep breaths here. And as the right arm comes out in front, drop the right shoulder down. Breathe. So important we make time for ourselves before jumping into our day. Roll the shoulders out. Cross the right arm over the left. Here an eagle arm. So the backs of the palms can touch. You want to keep the elbows lifted, elevated. And then maybe drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. And then take it over towards the left side. Simply switch the arms. So now it's the left arm on top of the right. Elbows bend. And the backs of the hands come to touch. Right ear to right shoulder. Stretching the neck out. Left ear, left shoulder. Make your way back to center. Unravel those arms. Extend the right leg out to the side. Keep the left knee bent if you can. We're going to side bend. So the left arm reaches up overhead. Side bend. Breathe into your left lungs. Keep your butt connected to the bed. Deep breath in and exhale. The more we open up the rib cage here, the deeper the breaths that we can take in our day. That also helps to energize us too. The left leg extends, switching sides. Now it's the right arm that reaches up overhead. Remember, movement is energy, emotion, and action. So as we're breathing and moving, we're setting what we want that energy, the action for our day ahead to be. Now we're going to make our way back to our back. And before you get too cozy here, cross your right ankle over your left knee, reclining pigeon pose. Working the hips, keep your right foot flexed, and the back of your head, your spine, connected to your bed. Working the hamstrings, lower your left foot down towards the bed. Grab the back of your right leg somewhere. That can be the back of the hamstring. That can be your calf. Doesn't have to be straight like mine. You can bend the knee too. And simply switching. Cross your left ankle over your right knee, reclining pigeon pose on the other side. Keeping the left foot flexed. Breathing. And let's work the hamstring stretch on the left leg. Let that right foot drop towards the floor or your bed, and as you start to extend the left leg. Try and keep your eyes open here. This way we don't have a tendency to go back to sleep. Stay active, awake, breathing, moving. Give those knees a squeeze in towards your chest. Rock a little side to side. And just like you're rolling out of bed, roll on up. You're ready to start your day. I'm going to do one more twist just because it feels so good in the spine. Left hand comes behind, twist over towards the right side. Thanks for joining me, warriors, as part of your morning routine and day. Whether you're waking up at home, you're traveling, remember yoga and wellness is a journey. It doesn't stop because you're traveling. It is an adventure, a lifestyle, one that you can take with you anywhere, especially if you're practicing yoga in bed. Subscribe to my channel, Live Free TV. Follow me over on Instagram at Live Free Warrior for more inspiration, healthy, conscious ways to travel and live as a lifestyle.